This may be one of the last times I harvest white sage. The summer is fading quickly here in the Rocky Mountains, and plants are going to seed quickly. Both sage and yarrow grow abundantly here. In fact, I didn't plant any of this. It's all volunteer, but I leave it so I can appreciate it all summer and harvest it later. Most of the yarrow has also gone by, but there are still a few beautiful specimens left that I can collect and preserve. Most people are foraging sage and yarrow for medicinal use, but I have other reasons. That's why I don't hang my herbs to dry them. Traditionally, most people are tying their botanicals into bundles, hanging them upside down to preserve color, but I have an alternative that I like better. It's unconventional, but I prefer to use a flower press that goes into the microwave. In 60 seconds, I have a perfectly dried, flattened, and beautifully preserved botanical that still retains a lot of its aroma. Sage and yarrow are favorites to work with, not only because of their fragrance, but look at the shape of the plant. Yarrow is sturdy and really comes out as a solid specimen. And this is how I use my botanical specimens in my artwork. When layered with a little beeswax, it perfectly preserves the flowers into a natural composition that can be enjoyed year-round, not just in the summertime. Here's one with some sage incorporated into it.
Yeah, it's definitely not the traditional way to dry botanicals and herbs, but I have my reasons. So if you love learning about creative ways to use botanicals, definitely follow along as I harvest more from our homestead and our year-round garden dome. We'll see you in the next video.